Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about the Prosper credit card. I got this comment when I made the Aspire MasterCard video. I made a video about the Aspire credit card and I actually got a comment saying that this credit card is similar to that one. So I didn't really recommend the last one because it was a lot of fees, but this one don't have as many fees, but I still want to do a video to talk to you guys about it. So one thing I like about this credit card is that you can get pre-approved for it. So starting off, when you come to the website, you can get pre-approved for it without it affecting your credit score. So all you have to do is click right here on apply now and they can pre-approve you. Now your approval would be between 500 and $3,000. So when you go ahead and click apply now, they're going to tell you exactly how much you're approved for and also what's your interest rates and your fees. Now, the reason why I didn't like the Aspire MasterCard was because all of the fees, you guys, the annual fee was very high. So I was like, I don't really like that one. And with this one, they said you don't have an annual fee for the first year as long as you set up with auto pay. Now, that's first year, right? So that means the second year and on, you're going to have the annual fee. And I really want everybody, when you start getting credit cards, think about the future. Don't just think about right now. Think about credit cards that graduate. Think about credit cards you can have for a long period of time because that's going to really boost your credit when you can keep your credit cards. That's your age. They want to see you can have some old credit cards. That's why people buy trade lines. So with this one, if you was to try to keep this one for 5 years, or even try to keep it for the remainder of your life, just have it for a long time, you got to pay that annual fee every year. And I don't like that. Yes, a credit card you can get, but the annual fee, I just don't like that. I want you guys to try to get credit cards without an annual fee. But if this is your only option, I gave you my spiel. Let's go on to the next thing. Now, there's no deposit. So this is going to be an unsecured credit card. Secure credit cards when you got to put a deposit down. So say if they was to approve you for $3,000, they would have asked you for a $3,000 deposit. But with this credit card, there's no deposits. And you guys are also able to take money out at the ATMs without an additional charge. So you guys will not be able to, guys will not get charged any fees to withdraw money. Now, sometimes I forget, if you go to a certain ATM, that ATM may charge you a fee, but I always just go to Wawa. I don't know if you guys have Wawa because I think it's PNC Bank. I forgot exactly what bank that's in there. They don't charge any fees at all. So you will really be feeless with this credit card. But they're going to, like I said, they're going to prove you up to $3,000. You guys, if you have fraud, you're not going to be liable for it. So that's really good. So you guys will be protected against any fraud. Now, you guys, don't forget, it's a pre-approval. So kind of went over everything. All you have to do is click right here on apply now. And then they're going to bring you into your application so that you can work on getting pre-approved. So what they're looking for is they're looking for your first and last name, your date of birth, your address, your social security, well, not your address, your email address, and your social security number. You got to put your home address in with your city, state, and zip code, your monthly rent or mortgage. So whatever you pay per month and your rent or your mortgage, make sure you guys put that here. They want to know what type of employment you have. So what I would do, I used to always tell you guys to do self-employment. I don't suggest you guys necessarily just put in self-employment. If it's under like an LLC, if it's under actual business, I would just put employment and then put the name of that, your company, whatever your company is. And then they want to know your yearly individual income, so how much you make. And if you want to add additional income, any additional household income, then you can definitely add that income in. But it look like they want to put something here before they will pop out another box here. Yep, there we go. So any other household income, say with your spouse, certain states you can use your spouse's income. Anything else you have coming in, you can go ahead and put that here and then put your phone number in. Now, this is the thing. Let's look at some of these fees. Your APR for this credit card is 23.99 up to 29.99%. To me, that is very high. I want you guys, I know we starting off with credit cards, but some people starting off, they just need to get a credit card, but I want us to start looking at credit cards where there's no annual fee Or if there is an annual fee, if you guys have an annual fee, then try to get a credit card with a little less interest. Your interest rate is lower. But if this didn't have an annual fee at all, I would be like, okay, we're not going to keep a balance on the credit card. We'll be fine. But you don't want to keep a balance on your credit card with 29.99%, 23%. You wouldn't want to. Now, don't forget, your annual fee is $39, but they're going to waive it for the first year. As long as you guys sign up for the auto pay before your first statement. So you got to make sure you do it before your first statement. If you don't sign up, you're going to pay that $39, which is not going to be good. Now, if you guys were to do a cash advance, remember that's like going to the ATM too. Then you guys are not going to get charged any fees at all. So that's really good. Foreign transaction fee. If you guys are outside the country using your credit card, there's going to be a 1% fee. There's a late payment fee up to $40 per late payment. There's no fees if you go over your limit. And then a return payment fee, there's none. Wow, never seen that before. Usually if you guys say you're going to pay your bill, for some reason the check bounce, whatever the case may be, if for some reason your payment is returned, they're not charging any fees. And a lot of companies actually do charge fees. So that is really good that they don't even charge you any fees. Now, the Prosper credit card is an unsecured credit card. It's issued by Coastal Community Bank. So that is really good because they are a member of the FDIC. And remember, you guys will have an annual fee with this credit card. So keep that in mind. But make sure you guys go and read everything in here and then check this box. And you remember, too, they have other agreements here that you guys may want to read to see what's going on. But my overall thing with this credit card, I wouldn't suggest it because of the annual fee. But if you just need a credit card, you're trying to get your foot through the door, you like, Rickita, I just need something, then go ahead and sign up for this credit card. But understand that you're going to have your annual fee is going to be $39 per year every year. And I don't know if they're going to ever change that where you can not have any annual fee at all. And it's going to be a credit card you're going to eventually just not get at all. But here's a credit card, you guys. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. If you want me to make a video about any credit card, go ahead and leave it in the comments. See you guys later.
There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.